ये है अनसेट फीलिंग विद शैंकी की क्लिप्स, जहाँ पे आपको फुल पॉडकास्ट का छोटा छोटा क्लिप्स करके दिखाते हैं। तभी देखते रहिए और सीखते रहिए। द रैपिड फायर राउंड स्पॉन्सर्ड
Okay.
बाय द बैक स्टोरी स्टोर। ओके,
Okay.
तो
Okay.
इसमें क्या है, रैपिड फायर राउंड में यू हैव टू कीप योर आंसर्स एज शॉर्ट एज पॉसिबल। जो दिमाग में
Okay.
पहले आ रहा है, जस्ट
Okay.
से इट।
Okay.
ओके,
Okay. Okay.
इट्स लाइक अ वन लाइनर, व्हाटएवर कम्स टू योर माइंड, यू
Okay.
जस्ट से इट।
Okay.
रैपिड फायर राउंड, आर यू एक्साइटेड?
Not really, but ठीक है.
Rapid fire round sponsored by the Backstory Store. Okay,
Okay.
here's your first question. If you had to choose one show,
Okay.
which would it be? Roadies or Splitsvilla?
Splits.
Wow. If you could have an idol match apart from Digvijay in the villa, who would that be?
Of course, Arbaz Ole, because that was the only person I connected with and I wanted to go ahead with.
Great. Your favorite pair in the villa?
One I cannot say. I'll say two. It's Divyansh and Devangini and Khanak and Adit.
Cute. I love
Yeah,
Khanak
I
and Adit.
love both of them.
I love
Yeah.
Khanak and Adit. If you could eliminate one pair from the villa, who would that be?
Oh God, tough. Hmm, I don't think so. I would mm, not pair. I would eliminate
A
a
person.
person Arbaz from the show.
Oh my
Yeah.
god. You know that is very contradictory. You just mentioned, okay, अगर मेरे को आइडल मैच बनना होता
I
तो मैं
know,
अरबाज के
right?
साथ
I
बनती.
know. And see, अगर logically देखे तो वो चला जाएगा तो मेरा गेम वीक हो जाएगा. But then अब ठीक है यार,
ठीक.
अंदर से वही कॉलिंग आया मुझे.
Okay, the whole world is listening to you right now.
Yeah.
The whole world.
Yeah.
What is that one thing you would want to tell them?
I would say one thing. It will be a little long, but I want to say that I'm sure जो मेरे साथ हुआ है वो काफ़ी लड़कियों के साथ हुआ होगा, लड़कों के साथ भी हुआ होगा. I'm sure and हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमारा मजाक बन गया, हम जोकर लग रहे हैं दुनिया के सामने एंड जो हमने किया वो गलत किया, हमें गार्ड्स ड्रॉप डाउन नहीं करने चाहिए थे. I would just say that don't think that you were wrong or you did wrong. It was not your fault that somebody came out like that, somebody did that to you. It's their thing, no, जो उन्होंने सीखा है, जो उन्होंने देखा है लाइफ में. This is not how you were brought up, right? This is not what you do. So आप अगर सिचुएशन ही वैसी मिली है जब आपको पता ही नहीं किसी के बारे में, तो आपका जो गट फीलिंग होगा वही करोगे. अगर आपने अपनी गट फीलिंग की नहीं सुनी होती तब भी आप डिलेमा में होते कि नहीं मैंने वो नहीं किया जो मेरे दिल ने कहा. So I think if anything has happened with you, it's all right. You take a lesson, go ahead, and it's weird of me to say that, but please do not close the door for love.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is the most beautiful line, I
It's a
think.
beautiful thing, you know. It's a beautiful feeling to fall in love, to love someone, to be there for someone. But I would just say that be cautious, learn from your lesson, and guards थोड़े up रखो and drop down करो 10 चीजें देख के. मतलब ऐसा नहीं थोड़ा सा हो गया तो you just felt like okay this is the right person. Take your time, but don't be this hesitant कि नहीं यार मेरे साथ हो गया है तो अब मुझे करना नहीं
नहीं.
है. I know it's exhausting, but I think it will be a phase. Like मेरे साथ भी अभी ऐसा है कि for some time I'll be exhausted. I'm saying that I don't want love, I don't want friendship, but by the time I'll heal, I think I'll be
In a
back
better place.
back and then I'll be like I think I want love now. So it's okay, take your time, move on, but do not close the door for love.
Amazing answer. What's one reality show you really want to be a part of across the world?
Big Boss. Not because of fame, but because I think the amount of money I'll generate, I will be able to ask my dad to stop working. I genuinely want them to
Very good.
live a better life. So only and only because of that, I mean, if not Big Boss, any show that gives me good amount of money so that I can buy a house for my parents and ask them to settle down there.
Very
That's it.
respectful. Very
Yeah.
respectful. Last question. Last question. Okay. One thing that if you would hadn't done acting or anything, what would you have been?
That's so even I don't know, as my destiny had been taking me to 10 number of designations and field.
But one thing that you really would have wanted to be अगर ये acting नहीं होता तो.
Acting नहीं होता तो I think It's a tough call. I mean, either I would have been doing modeling, but then मुझे लगता है वो ज़्यादा लंबा मैं करती नहीं, because the kind of body type they want, I could not be, and I cannot starve myself forever. So the only thing would have been left with me was creative direction or direction.
Wow.
So I think, my senior, the person I had worked with who had taught me everything, he used to tell me that if you'll work hard, you'll be that good looking director in the
Oh
industry.
my God.
So he had faith in me. So I think maybe I would have been a good director.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing answers, Naira. With that, we come to an
Yay!
end of this
Yeah.
rapid fire round
Yeah.
sponsored by Backstory Store. We have
Yeah.
a cute little hamper for you.
Oh, nice. I love that part. Yeah.
So this bag is to peace out in life with
Wow.
whatever you are going through. So
Okay.
this for you.
Thank you.
You can
I
quickly
need
check.
this peace in my life for sure. थोड़ा peace तो अभी आ गया है. Like I'm in a better
Right.
place right now. So yeah, it's cute. Thank you so much. And
No,
it's from your own store,
yeah,
right?
so this from my own store called the Backstory Store.
Yeah,
We do a
I
lot
know
of
it.
hampers, customized gifts,
Yeah.
and other things for
Yeah.
everyone. So if you are looking for something like that, go
For
check out the
sure,
Backstory
for
Store.
sure. Please, people, whosoever follows me, whosoever loves me, go check out his store.
धन्यवाद हमारा अनसेट फीलिंग विद शैंकी क्लिप्स को देखने के लिए। अगर आपको इन्हीं क्लिप्स के फुल पॉडकास्ट देखने हैं, आप हमारे मेन चैनल में जाके देख सकते हैं। तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद।